So I just not too long got up. I'm getting dressed. I just help the kids get off to school. Now it's pretty much my turn to get ready to go off to school. Just making my tea. Oh boy, it's been quite the morning. Don't mind if underneath my eyes are swollen. I've been very tired. I've been up since 3 o'clock just trying to push to get my assignment done. I was able to finish one and a half, so which is important because both of them are due this Friday, so I'm just trying to push them out and get them out the way so then I have a little more time to study. So yeah, because my other exams for these two projects that I have, they're due next week. Yeah, sorry, the noise in the background is me mixing my tea. I'm mixing my tea. Yeah, so the kids woke up, they're off to school, which is nice. Oh gosh. Yeah, so another day of Vlogmas, guys. Happy Vlogmas. What are you all up to? I bet any of you started your Christmas shopping yet or finished your Christmas shopping. Yeah, we're pretty much finished our Christmas shopping, which is nice. So I'm grateful for that. I still got a few stuff that I need to wrap, so I gotta get that done and get those out the way. But I just want to get school out the way first. Oh, I can't wait till it's over. I cannot wait. Oh my. I cannot wait till it's over. This is gonna be a well-needed break. This break that's coming is gonna be well needed because I need a mental and a physical break. Oh, yeah. So today, what's on my agenda for today? Not much. I just got school. I got a short class day, which is nice. So I got a short class, but at the same time, I have. Oh, my angel is lopsided on my tree. I'll fix that later. Oh, so I just have school. I just need to get my. Yeah, I'm not even putting on a makeup. I'm just touch up my brows, and that's pretty much it. Today with my daughter's school, she's been having a lot of issues pertaining to like bullying and stuff at school, and because of it, she started lashing out in school now. So I have all that craziness that I've been dealing with for the past month, and the issue has gotten worse. So yeah, it's been quite the stress. Every minute you're in school and this, like you're in your school and then your child's school is calling you, so to come and pick her up because I guess she's disrupting the class or whatever the case may be. But so we are just gonna go have a little chat today with the school about what's been going on, because they are supposed to set certain things in place to make sure, yes, my daughter is protected and the other kids are protected as well. But if you are being bullied and you've been being bullied since starting the school and nothing is being done, what do you think is going to happen? After a while, maybe that kid's going to lash out. This is why a lot of times when kids are being bullied at school, a lot of us parents, we don't really know what's going on. Maybe the kids are scared to talk to us, so they don't talk to us about it. Going on with my youngest one. So it's been a very stressful time. Just keep it simple. I won't point of getting dressed up or anything like that. So let me get my sweater on. Oh goodness, almost there, guys. Today is what, Wednesday? Yes, today is Wednesday, the middle of the week. Have some tea before I go. Oh boy, I could sleep. My hubby's asleep. He just came in maybe a couple of hours ago. So he's sleeping. He's been on night shift. He's on the late night shift. So he's sleeping. The kids are gone to school. I'm about to leave for school. Yeah, that's pretty much what my life consists of through the weekday. Our life is usually busy through the week. My husband usually have weekends off. I'm off. My kids are off. So we usually would tend to do something. But we're not sure what we're gonna do this weekend yet. So kind of keeping it low key on things to do, because you know the Christmas holidays coming up and it's so hectic. But yeah, we're not sure what we have planned yet for the weekend, but I'm sure we'll end up doing something. This is what's up. So I'm home. Could you put that down, please? I am home. Oh, long day, and I am very much exhausted. So I'm just about to actually make some dinner and then go take a shower and then work on my other assignment. I was up till 3 o'clock in the morning doing schoolwork. My schoolwork never seemed to be done. So I am extremely 100% tired. So what are you doing in the kitchen in just underwear?
Mommy,
Aren't you going to shower?
Mommy, I need the scissors.
Aren't you going to shower?
I don't need the scissors.
So I'll put you guys here.
Mommy, can I help you cut?
No, I don't need no help today. Today's gonna be a short and quick cook day.
So I can put hungry.
Short and quick.
When I'm done.
The laptop that you messed up, the thing that's not working?
What thing's not working?
Alright, the charger, because the laptop's dead. Yeah, so I want to know how you're going to use the laptop.
Why do I always get blamed?
Yeah guys, so I got my pot going. I am sorry for the lighting. I am just actually rolling up some flour. I'm making some dumpling.
I thought you were making pasta.
And if you're wondering about my ring, this one can't come off my hand.
What?
So, because
It's
typically,
stuck?
typically when you're making flour, you're not supposed to, well, it's not good to, no. Here guys, so I am just making, yeah, so we had pasta yesterday. I'm just making some more pasta. That's the other one, that's the shell pasta. And I'm making some dumpling and chicken for my husband. So there's gonna be a short vlog. I've got had a busy day today, so I got a whole heap of stuff I gotta get done. I don't know what else is gonna go on for the rest of the night. Yeah, so that's what my little spinners look like. So yeah, you know what, I kind of felt like I'm making a little bit extra dumpling. I'm making dumpling and chicken for my husband, like because he had leftover chicken from yesterday. So I'm just gonna warm up that chicken breast. He's gonna have that, but I'm making him some dumpling to go with it. So he's just, yeah, he's gonna have that, and but me making a couple more extra dumpling because me feel like some dumpling and butter. Who knows about dumpling and butter? You know how nice dumpling and butter taste when you're just fresh off the stove and you put the butter on it. Yeah, I feel like some of that. What you call it? They would have called it poor people food. What are you doing here? What is that? Look, Faith. do you see it? Look.
Yeah, do it on purpose.
You're so gross.
Why are you doing my hair?
That's so gross. Can you spin and turn the pot, please?
Turn the pot, Memphis. Which pot?
This? Do not bother me. You are not
Which
playing.
pot?
No, turn both of them. You know, Xbox weekend only, not weekday. You're gonna have the whole. You're going to have the whole Christmas break off to be on Xbox 52 weeks.
Because.
Do I need to tell you why? No. Yeah, let's go. Sorry for the interruption. I believe you. Do you agree with me, guys? Should I let him play Xbox through the week while he goes to school, or should I not let him? What do you guys think? That don't have nothing to do with it. That don't have nothing to do with it, right? You should have been growing up back in the days when then they have no Xbox and PS and this and that. What did kids have to do? You go out the door, find something to do. They never have GameCube and stuff. Me I talk about it in my days when I used to grow up. And them the days you're not supposed to grow up in. Let me see when we talk about games and this and that. Yeah. You see your face? Both yeah. Your face favor yeah. Your face favor yeah. Faith, take out the black pot. Pass me the chicken right there.
There's more than one black hot in here.
Just that one. That one.
This?
The one over there in the corner. Yeah,
This?
pass that one. So yes, guys, sorry for the interruption with Mr. Thing
Mr.
there.
College Property.
So, yeah. So I'm just gonna end up putting on the chicken on the stove. So right now the
What else do you said you want again?
Huh?
What else did you say you want again?
What did I say I want?
Mm-hmm.
With what?
You said you needed black pot and what else?
That's all I said I wanted. I didn't say I
bye.
wanted anything else. I didn't say I want anything else. So, oh, noodle is almost done. So you know what? I'm going to go take a shower and come back. So I am finished showering. Yo. Yeah, dog? You must be a dog. Hello. Let me go.
These are
Package. Rewind. No, you're not playing. Listen. Come on, come here. Let me. You're not playing. Ow, Memphis, don't bite me. So yes, guys, let me show you the pot is all finished. My second chef in the building here.
No, coming hungry. Me the stir on come on, take it down.
Agreedy. So I just had the leftovers that's cooking down, and I got my dumplings all done, and I got my different type of pasta this time. Yeah, leave it. Why are you putting it? The pasta sauce pasta meat, the ground beef and everything. It is another easy way to get dinner done and out.
I want to share first.
Every night the people them have to come see you, say they ask if you're one to share first.
Coming hungry.
See,
Yeah, we
two
know
love
you're hungry.
delicious. I might want
Look a
first
bit
one,
more.
right?
Here, look out.
I'll finish my bed.
Here's the ones that are so sweet.
Yes! You got it first plate,
I guess you want me to pack up your plate?
Yes.
I hope when you plate pack up you make sure you eat it.
Yes, yes.
Alright.
Alright, mommy.
See, look at Miss Wonka. Oh, what you hiding? Why you hiding the plate for?
Some for the hair.
You liar. You liar.
That's my plate.
That's too
No,
funny.
fine. Fine.
No.
Fine.
So, you are hilarious.
Nobody don't need to see the food.
This, come take your food. Got my dumpling. I feel like some dumpling. My dumpling, I'm about to put some butter on it. And that's what I'm about to eat. So, I guess this is where I'm going to end the vlog, guys. So, I'm just going to go eat. And we're just probably going to relax and watch a movie. So, if I don't tune back in, have a good night. And yeah, I hope you guys are liking the vlog. And thanks for watching. I will talk to you all tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, good morning. It's about 6:30 in the morning. I'm actually just getting ready to go to school. Yes, happy Vlogmas day 4. Right? Day 4? Yeah, today's is December 4th. Yeah, sorry I didn't get to do a proper Vlogmas intro, guys. I have just been busy.